Here is another video of Bill Tapia performing in New York City. He was 102 years old, still playing with a lot of class, a lot of charm. This was a great night and I wanted to share it with you. Bill Tapia, legendary figure, performed with Louis Armstrong, with Bing Crosby. I believe he recorded on some Elvis sessions, taught the Little Rascals a little bit about how to play. He was such a gentle guy. What a beautiful soul. I'm so glad I got to see him perform live. He really is a historic figure, not only in the world of ukulele, but Hawaiian music in general. I hope you kick back, enjoy this session, and enjoy the music. Thanks.
The object of my affection can change my complexion from white to rosy red. And anything she hold my hand and tell me that she's mine. There are many girls who fill me, and some of them fill me with dreams of happiness. And I know that I'll never rest until she says she's mine. And now I'm not afraid that she'll leave me, 'cause she's not trying to be unfair. But instead I trust her implicitly. She can go where she wants to go and do what she wants to do, but I sure won't care. All the objects I can change my complexion from white to rosy red. And anytime she holds my hand and tell me that she's mine. All the objects of my affection can change my complexion from white to rosy red. And anytime she holds my hand and tell me that she's mine. And fill me with dreams of happiness. And I know that I'll never rest until she says she's mine. And now I'm not afraid that she'll leave me. She's not the kind to be unfair. But instead I trust her implicitly. She can go where she wants to go, do what she wants to do, but I won't care. All the objects of my life can change my complexion, white to red. Anytime she holds my hand and tell me that she's mine.